Hello everyone! Are you curious about how to stop a cat from climbing curtains? Let's explore! Climbing curtains is a common behavior in cats that can be frustrating for pet owners and potentially damaging to household decor. Fortunately, there are several strategies you can try to discourage your cat from climbing curtains and redirect their behavior to more appropriate alternatives. One effective approach is to provide your cat with alternative climbing and scratching surfaces that satisfy their natural instincts and needs. Invest in a sturdy and tall cat tree or scratching post that offers multiple levels, platforms, and surfaces for climbing, scratching, and exploring. Place the cat tree or scratching post near the curtains or in the same area where your cat likes to climb, making it a more appealing and accessible alternative. Additionally, you can use deterrents to discourage your cat from climbing curtains. Consider using double-sided tape, aluminum foil, or plastic carpet runners along the bottom of the curtains or on the windowsill to create an unpleasant texture or surface that your cat will be reluctant to climb. You can also try spraying a pet-safe deterrent spray or citrus-scented spray on the curtains to make them less appealing to your cat. Another strategy is to provide environmental enrichment and mental stimulation to keep your cat entertained and engaged. Offer interactive toys, puzzle feeders, or food dispensing toys that challenge your cat's mind and encourage physical activity. Rotate toys regularly to keep your cat's interest and provide new opportunities for exploration and play. Additionally, you can use positive reinforcement training techniques to teach your cat alternative behaviors and reward them for appropriate behavior. Whenever you catch your cat using the scratching post or cat tree instead of climbing the curtains, praise them enthusiastically and offer treats or a favorite toy as a reward. Consistency and patience are key when using positive reinforcement training, so be sure to reinforce desired behaviors consistently and avoid punishing or scolding your cat for climbing curtains. If your cat continues to climb curtains despite your efforts to discourage the behavior, consider consulting with a veterinarian or animal behaviorist for additional guidance and support. In some cases, climbing curtains may be a sign of underlying behavioral issues, stress, or anxiety that may require further evaluation and intervention. In summary, to stop a cat from climbing curtains, provide alternative climbing and scratching surfaces, use deterrents to discourage the behavior, offer environmental enrichment and mental stimulation, and use positive reinforcement training techniques to redirect your cat's behavior. With patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, you can help discourage your cat from climbing curtains and promote more appropriate behaviors. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.